Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I will explain how you can create a Salesforce Lightning quick action using a screen flow. So I have already created a quick action that will create a case record from the contact record page. So first let me show you the demo of the screen flow quick action that I have created. So right now I'm on the contact list view and from here I will open any of the contact record. So here you can see the quick action logger case. So this is the quick action that I have created using the screen flow. So as I click on the logger case, you will see a form. So this form is what a screen flow is. I have embedded the screen flow in the quick action. So here we will enter the required details to create the case record. After entering all the required fields, as I click on the next button, the case record will be created. You can see it over here in the related list of the contact. So this is the case record that we have created right now. So this is how we are creating a case record from the contact record page. And now I will show you the flow also through which we have added the functionality to this quick action. So here you can see the screen flow that I have activated as of now. So here in the case details, you can see all the fields that I have added. And after that, we have added a create record element that will eventually create a case record for the current contact. And here using the contact ID, we have mapped the case record with the current contact record. So let's see how we can create this screen flow and call it using a quick action button. So first I will deactivate this screen flow and now I will navigate back to the flow setup window. So first we are going to create the screen flow, then we will embed that screen flow inside a quick action. And before starting the process, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course. So here on the flow setup window, click on the new flow button and here select the option screen flow and again select screen flow. So here in the flow canvas, click on this plus icon and add the screen element. So first we are going to label the screen element. So I'm going to label it as case details and the API name will be auto filled. So now we have to add the fields, the input fields in which user can enter the details to create the case record. So make sure that in your org you have added all the required fields in the input fields of the screen flow. So you can check it, like when you click on the new record, you can see all the required fields over here. So here it is: status, case origin, case currency, and the case subject. So these are the fields that we are going to include in our screen flow. So first in the flow builder, we are going to add the pick list component. So here we will drag and drop it to the screen region. And this pick list is going to be for the case status. So I'm going to label it as case status and the API name will be auto filled. And since it is a pick list field, so we have to define a resource for it. So go to the choice field and click on new choice resource. And here select pick list choice resource and the API name is going to be case status. And the object here is going to be the case record because we are going to create the case. And the data type, you have to select pick list. And here the field will be status and then click done. And in the same way, we will add another pick list for the case origin pick list field. And we are going to label it as case origin. API name will be auto filled. and the choice will be new choice resource, and again select here picklist sorry picklist choice set, and API name will be case origin. Object here is again going to be the case, so here select the data type as picklist and field as the case origin and click done. So here I will add one text field, that is the case subject, and here in my settings I have one more required field, that is case currency. So I will add case currency also. So it is again a pick list field. Case currency. And for this also we will create a new choice resource in the same way, like click on the new choice resource, select pick list choice set, and the API name will be case currency. Object will be case. Data type will be pick list, and the field will be case currency ISO code. So here click done. So now we have entered this four field, that is case subject, case currency, case status, and the case origin. So make sure that you included all the required fields that are according to the settings in your org. And at last click on the done button. And now to create the record, to create the case record, we will add a create record element. So the label, it will be create case records, and the API name here will be auto field. So here in this field how to set record field values, we will select manually and map the field values with the screen input field manually. So here the create record will be the case. So here we will map the required fields. So we have status, case status. So it will map like screen case details and the case status. Next field is case origin. So again we will map it with the screen case origin, and then the subject. After this we will map currency. So the demo that I have showed you, it was creating the case record for the current contact record. So in order to map this case with the current contact record, we will add one more field, that is the contact ID. And to get the current record ID, we will create again a new resource. So this resource type is going to be a variable, and the API name we have to enter record ID, and the data type here will be text, and make sure that you check available for input and then click done. So with this we have created the screen flow that will be appear as a form when we click on the quick action. So at last we have to save the flow, and here enter the flow labels. So I'm going to label it as create contact case, and the flow API name will be autofilled. Here click save. So as of now we can't see any errors, so I will activate the flow. So we are going to deploy this flow as a quick action on the contact record page. So from here I will navigate to the object manager, and here search and select the contact object, and in the contact object you have to click on button links and actions, and here click new action. So in action type select option flow, and then we have to select the flow that we have created right now. So it was create contact case, this one, and then we have to select the label. So you can select the quick action label from the available options, or you can create your own custom label. So I'm going to label it as create a case, and then click on the save button. So now the quick action is also created, and now to show this quick action on the UI, we have to edit on the page layout. So in the contact setup, now go to the page layouts, and here select the default page layout, and then in the layout setup go to mobile and lightning actions, and from here you can see the quick action that you have created. So it was create a case, and then you have to drag it to the region Salesforce mobile and lightning action. So from here I will remove the previous quick action that I have shown you in the demo, and then click on the save button. Now I will navigate back to the contact. So here on the contact list view, I will open any of the contact record. So for example, I will open Ashley James, and here you can see this is the quick action that we have created, that is create a case. So as I click on it, it will open the input fields that we have defined in the screen flow. So here I will enter all the required fields. And at last click on the next button, and now you can see the case is created. So you can see the case subject new case that you have created right now. So this is how we can create a quick action using the Salesforce screen flows. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.